Okay, so, hello, how's it going? Well, today, it is actually Valentine's Day, and I have completely canceled my day because I realized that I've essentially come to the conclusion that the reason why I kind of took a hiatus from YouTube in the first place is because I don't physically have the machinery to create the content that I need to create if I'm not at home. And so for the next maybe month or so, I'm actually going to be moving to Montreal because I got a new job there. And I'm going to be there for 2 months, and I'm going to essentially need to bring this like laptop situation with me in case I like somehow accumulate enough money to be able to buy a new laptop there, which I don't think is very likely. But I have essentially kind of like called myself out on my shit, and I'm just like, you know what, like that's not even an excuse anymore. Like I haven't posted a video on YouTube in a year, and I am like constantly creating content on Instagram, and I find that like a lot of the feedback that I've been getting from it, like I feel like people get a lot more out of a video than they do out of just like an Instagram post or whatever else. Cause like I'm like completely understanding of the fact that like half the things that I post on my Instagram account are very like personal. They're just kind of like, I feel like posting about it because I feel like it. Like I asked them and they cut you, hee. Yeah, I just called in. I'm in this like creative space where I just want to get, like I need to revamp my blog. I want to just have something that's there. I want content or like information about me in as many types of platforms as possible. So like I need to work on my media kit so that if like brand opportunities ever come up, I'm able to like present something of my own and like give them, whether it be just like a PDF file of something. I noticed that like I need to do my part as like a social media person. I hate the word influencer and the word guru. Like it's the worst. Like those are the worst words ever. I don't know why they were ever like associated with people that just post content online. But anyway, I have since this morning, I guess, kind of like figured out what I want to be doing with my media kit. I'm just kind of like going back in the archives and realizing like how little content, like professional content, I have to be able to make this like a nice media kit situation. So I miss you guys. I miss you so much. And to those 1,000 of you who have decided to stick around and wait out my hiatus, I love you and I appreciate you more than you know. I didn't forget about YouTube. I'll be honest in saying that YouTube took away my right to monetize my content. Why? Because I didn't have the viewing hours that they need. I think it was like 40 hours of viewing time that you needed in the year before that. And in the year that they implemented this like YouTube law, I had no interest in going back on YouTube. So at first I was like, why am I even gonna post content if I'm not that I was getting paid any money for it, but if there was no possibility of me ever getting any money for it, then what's the point? But I realized that the reason why I started doing it is because I fucking love doing it. Like I love posting content online. I like the post-production, even though it's just like long and tedious a lot of the time. Yeah, so I'm back. I don't know how many times I'm gonna actually need to say that before it sticks, but I have a really cool job lined up. And I have a lot of like cool content because of said job. If you follow me on Instagram, you know, I don't know how much I'm actually allowed to be able to talk about it. So that's it. But otherwise I'm really excited to finally kind of like calm myself out of my shit, hold myself accountable, and realize that like there's more to life than like potentially making money on YouTube. Like do something because you love doing it, not because like there's going to be any like monetary value coming out of it. So I have like put my entire day aside that I could potentially be making a lot of money. It's Valentine's Day tonight. But I have just kind of like sacrifice today to do what I love and kind of like put my online persona in a format that will be presentable to like whether that be agencies or brands or whoever else I want to work with in the future. So of course I'm like putting together my online persona looking like this, but this is just who I am. I'm like comfortable at home. Loki is behind me just napping on this table. I find that I'm the most creative in this living room for whatever reason. My mom's gonna kill me for filming in here because it's not perfect behind me, but it's okay. I was going to go to the gym before my shift, but then I realized that I just needed to get this done, and I just need to kind of like put everything else on hold to be able to do this, and then maybe I'll have a little bit of time to train later. What's new? I have blonde hair. I have blonde hair. I have tattoos. Not the last time I get a tattoo. Sorry, Mom. You know what? And it's funny because like she hates when I get them, but then I, for the most part, will always have a sentimental meaning behind all of my tattoos. So when she realizes that my tattoos are about her, she gets all happy and warm and fuzzy inside. Yeah, I am 22 years old now, turning 23 in about a month. I'm gonna be living in Montreal for this job, which is a crazy step for me. Like I've never lived anywhere but home. And this isn't like a vacation, like I'm going somewhere to work, and I've never like had the opportunity to actually travel somewhere with work. So I'm really excited about it. But yeah, I'm just gonna bust this out and then I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Maybe I'll end up doing kind of like just a little mini flow here at home, because I don't think that I'm gonna leave the house today. If I leave the house today, I'm just gonna be too excited about leaving the house and then I'm not gonna get anything done. So I have locked myself on my computer. I'm working off of, I guess I can show you guys this much. Like it's really nothing that interesting, but hey Loki, hi honey. I actually think I have to charge this battery just a little bit before I do anything else. So I'm gonna work on this and then I'll keep you guys posted. Hopefully you guys can help me do this because I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. No idea. I'm on my second cup of coffee because I'm that determined to be able to do this today. We'll see you guys in a bit.